Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 32. Astatine in group 7, okay, this is group 7 of the periodic table, has similar chemical property with A. Aluminium, B. Carbon, C. Iodine, D. Oxygen, E. Phosphorus. So we are given the group of these elements, group 7. We write it out here. This is group 7. We are given the group of astatine and we are asked for the elements which it has similar chemical property with amongst the options. Now the important thing to note is that elements in the same group have similar chemical properties because they have the same number of valence electrons. So this is why they have similar chemical properties. Now, for us to pick the answer to this question, all we have to do is pick out the element amongst the options that belongs to the same group as astatine, which is group 7. Now, aluminium belongs to group 3, carbon group 4, iodine group 7, oxygen group 6, phosphorus group 5. So from what we have established here, iodine belongs to group 7, which is the same group as astatine. Hence, it has similar chemical properties because it has the same number of valence electrons as astatine. So option C, iodine, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.